Did you know that top affiliates can earn six figures promoting Clickbank products? It's true. The potential for profit in the world of affiliate marketing is staggering, especially with a platform as robust as Clickbank. If you're looking to elevate your online income in 2024, you've landed in the right place. Promoting Clickbank products is not just a fleeting opportunity, it's a lucrative venture that can transform your financial landscape if you approach it with the right strategies. Now, let's talk about why promoting Clickbank products is such a golden opportunity in 2024. The digital economy continues to expand, and as more people turn to online shopping, the demand for quality digital products is skyrocketing. Clickbank is a marketplace that connects product creators with affiliate marketers, and with thousands of products to choose from, there's something for everyone. Whether you're into health and wellness, personal finance, or self-improvement, Clickbank offers a wealth of options. The best part? You don't need to create your own product. You can leverage other people's hard work and creativity to earn commissions. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Many aspiring affiliates face significant challenges when trying to promote Clickbank products. One of the most pressing issues is saturation. The affiliate marketing space is crowded. Countless individuals are vying for the same audience, promoting similar products. This means that standing out is more crucial than ever. The competition is fierce, and if you don't have a solid strategy, your efforts could go unnoticed. Another challenge is understanding your target audience. It's not enough to simply pick a product and start promoting it. You need to know who your audience is, what they want, and how to communicate with them effectively. Many affiliates underestimate the importance of this step, leading to wasted time and resources on ineffective marketing efforts. So, how do you overcome these hurdles? The first step is to choose the right products. Not every product on Clickbank is created equal. Look for products that have a proven track record of sales, good customer reviews, and a solid sales page. You want to promote products that not only resonate with you, but also have a demand in the market. Take the time to research and analyze the marketplace. Look at the gravity score, which indicates how many affiliates are making sales with that product. A higher gravity score often means more competition, but it also signals that the product is selling well. Once you've chosen your products, the next step is to understand your target audience. Who are they? What are their pain points? What solutions are they looking for? Conduct surveys, engage with potential customers on social media, and immerse yourself in online communities related to your niche. The more you understand your audience, the better you can tailor your marketing efforts to meet their needs. Now, let's talk about leveraging social media. In 2024, social media is more powerful than ever for promoting Clickbank products. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest can be goldmines for affiliate marketers. Create engaging content that speaks to your audience's interests and needs. Use eye-catching visuals, compelling captions, and authentic storytelling to draw them in. Don't just push your products, provide value. Share tips, insights, and personal experiences related to the products you're promoting. Consider using video content as well. Short, informative videos can capture attention quickly and drive traffic to your Clickbank offers. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels are perfect for this. Showcase the product in action, share testimonials, or even create tutorials that highlight its benefits. Now, let's get to a powerful tip that can truly change the game for your Clickbank promotions. Have you ever heard of building an email list? If you haven't, let me tell you why this is crucial. An email list is one of the most valuable assets you can have as an affiliate marketer. It allows you to connect directly with your audience, nurture relationships, and promote products without relying solely on social media algorithms. Start by offering a freebie related to the products you're promoting, a useful guide, a checklist, or an exclusive video. This incentivizes your audience to sign up for your email list. Once you have their email addresses, you can send them valuable content, product recommendations, and exclusive offers. This creates a sense of trust and loyalty, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Now, let's reflect on a case study that highlights the success of this approach. There's a marketer named Sarah who started promoting Clickbank products just last year. Initially, she struggled to gain traction and make sales. But after realizing the importance of building an email list, she shifted her focus. She created a lead magnet, a free ebook on weight loss tips, and promoted it through her social media channels. Within weeks, she had hundreds of subscribers. She began sending them weekly newsletters filled with valuable content, including product recommendations that aligned with their interests. Her open rates and click-through rates skyrocketed, and within a few months, she was earning a steady income from her Clickbank promotions. The key takeaway here is that building an email list can create a sustainable source of income, allowing you to promote products effectively and nurture relationships with your audience. In summary, promoting Clickbank products in 2024 is not just about choosing a product and hoping for the best. It's about strategic planning, understanding your audience, and leveraging the power of social media and email marketing. Choose the right products, engage with your audience, and build a community around your brand. With the right approach, anyone can succeed in promoting Clickbank products and turn their affiliate marketing efforts into a thriving income stream. So, what are your experiences with Clickbank? Have you had success, or are you just starting out? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on affiliate marketing and online entrepreneurship. Together, we can navigate this exciting journey toward affiliate success.